How to turn on notifications in Agoda app. First of all, open the app on your device and sign into your account. Next, tap on More from the bottom menu on the home screen. Scroll down to the settings section and tap on Notifications. Here you can enable notifications by tapping on Turn on notifications for special deals, price alerts, booking updates, and travel reminders. Simply tick the options you want to receive, such as useful reminders, messages, deals, and recommendations. After enabling notifications, you will start receiving real-time updates directly on your device. This ensures you stay informed about exclusive offers, promotions, and important booking reminders without needing to check the app constantly. Turning on notifications helps you plan trips efficiently, save on hotel deals, and never save updates from Agoda. You can always return to the settings menu to customize or disable notifications as needed. Now you know how to turn on notifications in the Agoda app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.